In celebrities' birthday, today is the birthday of Durk Derrick Banks, better known as Lil Durk. Lil Durk is an American rapper and singer. He was born on 19th of October in 1992. Today is celebrating his birthday of 31 years old. Lil Durk is a co-member founder of record label Only the Family. Some of awards Lil Durk has won are: in 2021 Grammy Award, he was nominated for Best Melodic Rap Performance. He was also nominated for Best Rap Song. In 2022, he was also nominated for MTV Music Award in category of Album of the Year. Some of Lil Durk's top music are All My Life featuring J. Cole, which was released in 2023, What Happened to Fiji, Broadway Girls, Who Won't Smoke, Free-Headed Goat, Every Chance I Get. Wishing Lil Durk a happy birthday. Thank you for watching.